Imagine standing at the edge of a peaceful lake at sunrise. The water ripples, a bald eagle soars overhead, and the sounds of nature fill the air. But behind this beauty lies an important responsibility: protecting it. That's where fish and wildlife officers come in. Today, we're diving into the world of these dedicated professionals, exploring who they are, what they do, and why their role is so vital to our environment and communities. Fish and wildlife officers, sometimes called game wardens or conservation officers, are sworn law enforcement officials who specialize in protecting natural resources, enforcing environmental laws, and ensuring public safety in outdoor spaces. While traditional police officers patrol city streets, these officers patrol rivers, forests, wetlands, and wilderness areas. They're highly trained professionals who combine law enforcement skills with deep knowledge of wildlife biology, environmental science, and outdoor survival. Many come from backgrounds in criminal justice, biology, or environmental studies, and their training covers everything from firearms and emergency response to species identification and conservation practices. Their unique blend of skills makes them guardians of both people and the natural world. So, what exactly does a fish and wildlife officer do? Their duties are incredibly diverse. First and foremost, they enforce hunting and fishing laws. They check licenses, monitor bag limits, and ensure that hunters and anglers follow regulations designed to protect animal populations. By preventing overharvesting and poaching, they help maintain ecological balance and ensure future generations can enjoy these resources. But that's just the beginning. They also conduct search and rescue operations for lost hikers, boaters in distress, or injured outdoor adventurers. Their training in navigation, survival, and emergency medical care often makes them first responders in remote areas. Another important duty is investigating wildlife crimes, whether it's illegal trade in endangered species, habitat destruction, or pollution violations. They gather evidence, interview witnesses, and work alongside state and federal agencies to bring offenders to justice. And let's not forget education and outreach. Officers often visit schools, host community events, and speak with recreational users to promote conservation and safe outdoor practices. They aren't just enforcers of the law, they're ambassadors for wildlife stewardship. Being a fish and wildlife officer isn't easy. It often means working long hours in tough environments, whether it's scorching summer heat, freezing winter nights, or rugged, isolated terrain. Officers face unpredictable situations, from confronting armed poachers to handling dangerous animals. They also balance delicate issues like managing human-wildlife conflicts. For example, when bears wander into neighborhoods or invasive species threaten ecosystems, officers must respond quickly and effectively. It's a career that requires resilience, adaptability, and a passion for protecting both people and nature. The work of fish and wildlife officers has a ripple effect far beyond the outdoors. By enforcing laws and protecting ecosystems, they ensure sustainable hunting, fishing, and recreation industries, activities that contribute billions of dollars to local economies. They also protect biodiversity, ensuring that iconic species like deer, eagles, and salmon continue to thrive. Their efforts support cleaner waterways, healthier forests, and safer communities. Simply put, their impact is felt every time someone enjoys a hike, catches a fish, or spots wildlife in its natural habitat. So, the next time you're out on a trail, casting a line, or enjoying a quiet moment in nature, remember that there are dedicated professionals working behind the scenes to make it possible. Fish and wildlife officers are more than law enforcers. They're guardians of the wild, defenders of natural treasures, and protectors of the bond between humans and the environment. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who care about nature. And let me know in the comments, would you ever consider becoming a fish and wildlife officer? Until next time, stay safe, respect the outdoors, and keep exploring.